And welcome back. Well, it was another warm day across our viewing area. Temperatures nearly 10 degrees above average. 89 was our high in Hattiesburg today. 68 was this morning's low. Again, not too far off from our record set back in 2010 of 93 degrees. And actually, there were a couple records set more up to our north, though. So thankfully, we did stay in the 80s. We've had some showers and thunderstorms around as we do have some moisture over us. And even though tonight we're going to be mainly clear, temperatures still in the mid to upper 60s. Winds out of the east-southeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for your Friday, of course, we're still watching that pretty strong front up to the northwest moving down towards our viewing area. We'll start to see increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow evening. Still going to be warm and dry off to our east, but again, we have some moisture over us, so expect it to be a little bit of a humid day outside before we start to see these evening thunderstorms. Temperatures only getting up into the mid 80s, 84 here in Hattiesburg. Winds continuing out of the southeast. And if we take a look at our visible satellite over the past several hours, you can see those showers and thunderstorms that have blown up on off to our west. And up to our north is that cold front just now going through Oklahoma. Here it is right there, bringing some severe weather into eastern Oklahoma and northwestern Arkansas. And then you go up to the northern central states, up in the Dakotas and Nebraska, and you've got winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings, some places 1 to 3 feet of snow, wind chills below zero, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. It's just, this is a big, nasty storm. And if this is going to set the tone for the rest of this year, I don't know that I like it. Again, we don't need to have any of these storms. The good news for us is we're on the southern side, so we're not talking snow. We're talking a little bit of rain maybe along with it, and just some cooler weather. Overall, we'll start to feel like fall, and that's what we really have been waiting for. Here is that front. Again, it's lined up right along I-44 and I-40 in Oklahoma, and if we zoom on out, you can see the low pressure associated with it. Now, what's happening is this front is actually weakening slowly as this low and the southern part of it are kind of getting desynced. So this is going to continue to move up to the northeast, but the front, again, is moving to the southeast. So the farther those two get away from each other, the weaker they are, but it's still going to drop our temperatures by a good amount, and we really need that. Again, it's fall-like. We need to have some fall temperatures in here. It is October after all. And if we're looking at our watches and warnings, you can just see what is all going on. You got severe thunderstorm warnings next to frost advisories, next to freeze watches, freeze warnings, winter storm warnings, everything in between. Again, blizzard conditions up near the Canadian border. This is a pretty strong and stout system, and it's going to bring us some rain, especially as we go into next week, too. We could have some heavy thunderstorms going into your Monday. Totals have gone up a little bit near an inch. Of course, we need that to keep the fire weather or the fire danger down, so that will help us out some. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go, 84 degrees for your Friday, and then temperatures just plummet. The bottom drops out, upper 60s for your Saturday. Pretty good chance for thunderstorms for your Saturday as well as your Monday. Temperatures getting back in the mid 80s before another front rolls on through, driving temperatures into the mid 70s by Thursday of next week.